Good morning to you. This is the Friday, June 17th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. And we have some weather changes underway across the region. Let's start off with a couple of the web cameras across the state. Avalon Pier web camera on the left. Beach Mountain Parkway cam, courtesy of ResortCams.com on the right. Temperature is 70 at Kill Devil Hills and 62 atop Beach Mountain. And here's the scene from Carolina Beach early this morning, looking pretty good as we start off this Friday. Temperature there at Carolina Beach stands at 77. Now, yesterday, what a hot and steamy day all around the region. These are the final numbers from yesterday afternoon. 101 down in Columbia, 95 in Fayetteville, 92 in Wilmington. It was low and mid 90s across the Triad viewing area yesterday, 94 in Greensboro, 94 in Winston-Salem, 93 in Reidsville and Burlington. And quite hot around the Charlotte region, too. 95 in Charlotte, 96 the high in Gastonia yesterday, 93 in Albemarle, Wadesboro at 96 as well. Dew points, I'm sorry, temperatures first, then I'll show you dew points. Temperatures still quite warm. In fact, it's still 80 in Columbia during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. Dew points are still up there, too. Very muggy for the time being. But big time weather changes set to unfold as we move forward in time. Now let's go back and take a look at the radar through yesterday afternoon and evening. Through the afternoon it was pretty quiet. Then during the evening hours we caught the tail end of a big complex of storms in the Virginias that clipped there through the northern sections of North Carolina. But boy, these storms were very intense off to the north as expected. That's where your primary severe weather threat resided, up there in the Virginias as we went through yesterday. And this was a healthy round of severe weather. Look at all those severe weather reports. Some hail and a lot of wind issues up that way. Early this morning, pretty quiet on the radar. We have an area of some showers in the eastern parts of North Carolina, weakening and heading out to sea. There they go, heading eastbound. Now we're watching this other area of showers up here to the north in the Virginias. That is associated with a little system that's dropping through the region. And so today will be a day with winds kicking around out of the north, becoming kind of gusty at times, and as this little trough pivots through, some scattered showers and plenty of cloud cover today. So here's what it looks like on the high resolution modeling here. You'll just see that scattering of showers as our Friday rolls along. Again, just kind of hit and miss stuff. No big thunderstorms today, just a scattered shower deal. And again, winds will kick around out of the north and northeast. There's a, for instance, with Futurecast and the Triad, those northeast winds 15, 20 miles per hour at times this afternoon. Temperatures beginning to cool a bit. These are the numbers today. The cooler air moving in from north to south. Now, as we get into the weekend, as advertised, as we've been going with the idea throughout the week, beautiful, picture perfect stuff. That drier air completely taking hold. Check out these dew point temperatures. There's tomorrow's dew points really drying out, and they're going to stay very, very low right on into Sunday as well. So we are now getting these dew points way down low into the very, very nice portion of the dew point comfort scale. High temperatures tomorrow for Saturday look like that. That is a very nice weather day. Sunshine, low humidity, nice temperatures. As we get on out into Sunday, very much the same. Sunshine, low humidity, very nice temperatures. Tropical update time. No areas of huge concern. Now there's this little flare up of storms that's been moving from the western Caribbean Sea, affecting parts of Central America. That'll move into the Bay of Campeche down here, but no big signs of development with that. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet across the Atlantic basin here on this Friday. Let's take a look at what's happening with the upper level chart. There's your big piece of energy driving southward. That'll form a cutoff low there off the Atlantic seaboard. And the result here is a nice trough with some cooler temperatures for the weekend. A lot of heat out west. But watch this. As we get out further in time, another trough moves in for the middle of next week. And that's going to kind of keep our temperatures in check. And maybe a little tail end piece of that trough tries to spin up something around Florida or thereabouts thereafter as you get into the weekend or early next week. We'll see about that. Today, scattered showers out there. Look at this. Saturday looks fantastic. We're talking dew points tomorrow afternoon, Saturday afternoon like that. Those are very, very nice. High temperatures tomorrow on the GFS model look just like that. And then check out some low temperatures into the 30s in the mountains Sunday morning, widespread 50s through the foothills and the Piedmont on Sunday morning. That's very nice. Sunday looks fantastic as we get on out into Monday. Still very, very nice. There's Monday right there. Let's see, here's Tuesday looking good as this cold front approaches from the north, although temperatures heating back up. Probably some 90s back in place for Tuesday. Tuesday night and Wednesday, maybe a few thunderstorms around as this next front moves through, but I think it pushes to the south of us, and overall should be pretty quiet again by Thursday and Friday. At least that's how it appears at this juncture. So no signs of any extreme heat now once we get this cooler air mass in place. It does heat up a bit for Tuesday or so, but it doesn't look too bad. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend too, and God bless.